Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the derivation of Cauchy-Riemann equations. Cauchy-Riemann equation in the Cartesian form. So what we'll see, what is the statement? The necessary condition that the function w equals f of z equals u of x comma y plus I into v of x comma y to be analytic at any point z is equals to x plus iy is that there exist four continuous first order partial derivatives, del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del y, and satisfy the equations del u by del x equals del v by del y and del v by del x is equals to minus del u by del y, known as Cauchy-Riemann equations or CR equations. Now we'll see what is its proof. So write down the proof will be like this. So consider let f of z is equals to u of x w is equal, take it like this, w is equals to f of z, that is equals to u plus iv be an analytic function. So if it is an analytic function, derivative exists. So therefore, what I will do, I will take u plus iv is equals to f of z. Z means x plus iy. Take this as equation 1. Now I will differentiate this with respect to x. So u and v both are functions of two variables. So I'll write it as ux plus ivx is equals to, so derivative of this function. Or I'll instead of this, I'll write it as so del u by del x plus I into del v by del x is equals to f dash of x plus iy into x derivative is 1 and iy derivative is 0. Or I'll rewrite this. So that is del u by del x plus I into del v by del y is equals to f dash of x plus iy. This is equation 2. So again, I will differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So again, both u and v are functions of x and y. So therefore, it is del u by del y plus I into del v by del y is equals to f dash of x plus iy into x derivative is 0, I into y derivative is 1. So I'll rewrite this equation again. That is del u by del y plus I into del v by del y is equals to f dash of x plus iy is equals into I. Now I will divide this above equation by I. So if you divide by I, so it will be 1 by I into del u by del y. Here I by I, del u by del y, sorry, del v by del y is equals to, here I gets cancelled, we'll get f dash of x plus iy. F dash of x plus iy. Now, but this 1 by I is nothing but minus I. And here I gets cancelled. So therefore, minus I into del u by del y plus del v by del y is equals to f dash of x plus iy. This is equation 3. From equations 2 and 3, from equations 2 and 3. So equation 3, right hand side is f dash of x plus iy, and equation 2, right hand side of equation 2 is also same. When the right hand sides are equal, we can equate the left hand sides also. So therefore, that is del u by del x plus I into del v by del x is equals to minus I into del u by del y plus del v by del v by del y. See, left hand side and right hand side both are complex form, and you know this, if two complex numbers a plus ib is equals to c plus id only when if a is equals to c, that is if real part is equal and imaginary part is also equal. So therefore here also we'll equate by equating real and imaginary parts. So by equating the real and imaginary parts, real part is this two. So that is these two are the real parts. So what you will get, del u by del x is equals to del v by del y, and del v imaginary part, del v by del x is equals to minus del u by del y. So therefore these are the CR equations. So this is a simple proof of the Cauchy-Riemann equations. Thank you.